Marhaba. As you read in the title, in Arabic there are verbs that consist of one letter only. And by one, I mean a single letter. Before I introduce them, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Here are the verbs. Ti, he, di, ra, she, si, I, fi, qi, li, mi, he. You might think I'm kidding, but fortunately I'm not. Let me explain. These are imperative verbs. Those are verbs you use to give orders. In Arabic, there are three types of verbs. Past verb, الفعل الماضي, present verb, فعل المضارع, imperative verb, فعل الأمر. And there is the future tense, but it is included in the present tense. These verbs are in the imperative tense form. Let's go over them one by one. First, ti. The past tense is ata, meaning came. So the verb ti means I order you to come. The present tense is ya'ti. However, people usually don't say ti for the imperative tense. They say iti. In our website, we have a post about deriving imperative verbs from the past tense. There is a rule for this thing. Check it out if you are interested. Second, he. The past tense of it is waha, meaning to reveal and inspire. The present tense is yuhi. The divine revelation in Islam is called al-wahi. An example of its use is waha ilayhi an yaskut. He gave him a sign to be quiet. To use it to order, hi ilayhi an yaskut. Give him a sign to be quiet. Third, di. The past tense of it is wada, meaning to pay blood money. The present tense is yadi. The money paid as compensation to the family of someone who has been killed is called diyah. How to order a group of people to pay the blood money? You say, dul qatil. Fourth, ra. The past tense is ra'a. You are probably familiar with this word. It means to see, behold, consider, etc. The present tense is yara. The word ru'ya means vision, and ru'ya means a dream, a revelation, all from the same root. There is also this word ra'i, which means television. Fifth, she. The past verb is washa, which means inform against, report in a slanderous manner. It also have another meaning, which is to embellish or ornament clothes or wood, and so on. The present tense is yeshi. 6. Si. The past tense is wasa, means to connect a thing, but it is not used much. However, I'll tell you another word with the same letters that is used a lot. Its imperative tense is wasi. The past tense is wassa. Notice that it has the same letters as this word, but it has a shadda diacritic on the sad. And it has a different meaning. It means charge, bequeath, advise, enjoin. Here is an example. وَوَصَّى بِهَا إِبْرَاهِيمُ بَنِيهِ وَيَعْقُوبُ. The same did Abraham enjoin upon his sons and also Jacob. And its present tense is yuwassi. The word al-wasiyya means the will, and wasi means guardian of the person or trustee. 7. I. The past tense is wa'a, meaning understand fully, grasp the meaning of, comprehend, memorize, and it also means hold, be capable of holding, include, be adequate for, and so on. The present tense is ya'i. The word al-wa'i means consciousness or awareness. The word wi'a means a container or a bowl. 8. في. The past tense is wafa, means to fulfill, to do properly everything that is part of a particular duty, to pay a debt. The present tense is yafi. The word wafa means loyalty or fidelity. You say, الكلب وفي. The dog is loyal. 9. قي. The past tense is waqa, which means guard, protect from danger, keep safe from harm. The present tense is yaqi. These days we hear a lot al-wiqaya min corona, which means prevention from coronavirus. The sunscreen is called waqi shams, or a longer version, waqi min asha'at shams, meaning guarded from the sun rays. And in the Holy Quran, قُوا أَنفُسَكُمْ وَأَهْلِيكُمْ نَارًا. Here the imperative verb is used with the plural pronoun واو جماعة. 10. لي. The past tense is wala. The present tense is yali. The word al-wilaya means authority, jurisdiction, state, territory, guardianship. An example is الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية, United States of America, and wali means legal guardian, as in ولي الأمر. And an example from the Holy Quran is الله ولي الذين آمنوا يخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور. Allah is the guardian of those who believe. Also means holder, possessor, as in ولي العهد, the crown prince. Also means companion, friend. Example, إنما وليكم الله ورسوله والذين آمنوا. Your real friends are no less than Allah, His Messenger, and the fellowship of believers. 11. Me. The past tense is wama, which means to make a gesture, make a sign or signal, indicate. The present tense is yami. This verb has a form with hamza, which is wama'a for the past tense, and it is usually used in the form awma'a, but all have the same meaning. The difference is in the dialect. Some say wama and others say wama'a. The word al-ima is gesture, motion, sign, signal. 12. He. The past tense is waha, meaning to be weak, baseless. The present tense is yahi. The adjective is wahi. It means feeble, fragile, flimsy. You'd hear people say, هذه حجة واهية. This is a false pretense. These are the verbs I wanted to share with you because there are other verbs of one letter, but I've chosen the ones with popular meanings and in use regularly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and check our other videos, the One Road Different Meaning series, the How to Say in Arabic series, the Learn Dialects Through Trending videos, and many more.